Welcome to 945 Noosa Road, Kinkin. Set on 100 acres of exceptionally private land with a stunning renovated Queenslander and substantial water and farming equipment, this property has endless possibilities.
Morning mist on the rolling hills, 100 acres wide. A classic Queensland beauty with the heritage inside. Chef's kitchen fired up, the coffee's pouring slow. Just minutes to Noosa, but a world away, you know. A secret door behind the books, a cozy firelight. A timber pavilion on the water shining bright. Chemical free and wild, the pasture's green and pure. The ultimate country escape of